Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we look at how to use MailChimp for our email marketing as a beginner. So I'll go through all the features that I think are important when you start with MailChimp for your email marketing. Let's initially look at the pricing of MailChimp. So MailChimp does come with a free version, free plan you can use, but it's limited to 500 contacts or subscribers, and you can send up to 1000 emails per month. So you can initially sign up for the free plan, check it out how it works, and once you need more subscribers, you can then upgrade to the other plans, essential, standard, premium. The more subscribers you have, the more you'll need to pay for MailChimp, like any other email marketing software. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up. So click on the sign up button. So go for the free plan initially. To sign up, you'll have to give your email, a username which is same as your email, and a secure password. Click sign up. So you'll need to verify your account. You'll get an email from MailChimp in your inbox. So this is the email you get. Activate your MailChimp account. Click on activate account. Now initially MailChimp will ask you a few basic questions. You don't need to fill all of them. You can fill only what is required and skip the remaining. It's not important to start using MailChimp. Some things you need to fill like your name, business name, click next, your address, city, state, country, click next. All these things you can skip. So whenever you see the skip button, just keep clicking. Skip, skip. They are not currently selling. Skip. None of these apply. Continue with the free plan. Here it starts preparing your account, and once it's ready, you'll get into the MailChimp dashboard. Now we are into the MailChimp dashboard. It will give some basic steps you can follow. It will give an overview of the email that you send, the click-through rate, open rates and stuff, the number of subscribers you have. Now, the first thing you'll need is your email subscribers. There are different ways of collecting email subscribers. Either you can manually add them, or if you have another email marketing software, you can import it from that service or export a CSV file from either another service or some other product and then import it over here. So different ways of doing this, or you can have forms or landing pages where you can start collecting email subscribers. We'll look at that. All of your subscribers are under this audience. If you want to add a new contact manually, go to all contacts, add contact. Here you have two options, single contact, import contact. Let's look at single contact. Add a single contact. Fill whatever details of the subscriber, the email address, the name. Once you're done filling all the details, go and hit this person gave me permission to email them, because you need permission and only then you should add emails to your subscriber list, and then subscribe. Go to all contacts. Now you can see the total contacts that you have. The other way you can get contacts into MailChimp is to import your contacts. It shows you three ways you can do that. Import from another service. So if you are using something like ConvertKit or MailerLite or something else, you can import from that service to MailChimp. You can upload a file, which is a CSV file in a particular format of first name, last name, email. Clicking more info will give you the format. In that format, if you have a CSV file, you can import it and all the subscribers will get imported. Or you can manually copy paste from a particular spreadsheet directly into MailChimp. The other way of importing subscribers or start collecting subscribers, which is common, is to have sign up forms or landing pages. The sign up forms you can integrate into your website. Landing page is a standalone page you'll get created on MailChimp itself, and you can share that landing page on social media so that you start collecting subscribers. You go to sign up forms, you can create a form using pop-ups, embedded form, contact form, sign up landing page. So I mainly use embed form or landing page. So embed form is something you create and you can embed it on your website. So this is how the form will look like. You start collecting email addresses, it has a subscribe button. You can make changes to all of them. You can include more form fields like the first name, and you can shift it around. You can have some settings based on the width of the form. Now you can add tags to your particular subscribers. So say your subscribers are coming from a particular form and you want to know that information. So you can create a tag like new subscriber. Any name you can give and that particular tag will get created, and any subscriber who comes through this form will get added this particular tag. So it makes it easy to sort out your subscribers, and later you can do many operations based on this sorting out of tags. Once you're done, you can hit continue. So this is the embed code you get. You can paste this code anywhere on your website. If you're using something like WordPress, you have your HTML block. Just copy paste this into that block, and it will start showing you this form as we saw. And anybody who subscribes at the email list name in that form will get subscribed to your email list. The other method, if you don't have a website but you need a page where you can allow subscribers to add their email list, is this sign up landing page. You can give it a name. Begin. You get different templates you can select from how your landing page looks like. Let's go for a simple landing page for now. Click the lead generation page. So you can customize the entire page, add your logo, make changes to any text, add additional text, add images. All the elements on this page you can customize format. Even this form you can customize, you can add more fields. You can customize it as per your needs. Anyone who subscribes to this form will get subscribed to your email list. Once you're done with the changes, hit save and close. So you can see this is the URL you'll get for your landing page. You can add your own custom domain if you go on the paid subscription, and then you can have your domain bought on Namecheap or Cloudflare and then redirect to this landing page if you need. But by default, MailChimp will host this page for you. You can add particular tags again, like we saw, if you want to segment your new subscribers based on certain fields, so you can tag them. Once you're done, hit publish. Your page is live, and this is a link which you can share on social media. Once your page is live, you can share that link on any social media, and anybody who subscribes to that form, adds their email list, will get added to your email list on MailChimp. Now we already saw tags. You can create your tags manually as well based on certain criteria you want. That particular users or subscribers, when they get added to the email list, they are added with certain tags. So you can later on sort them out based on tags. For example, you create a tag purchased books. If you wrote a book and someone purchase your book or purchase your product, and give them a tag like this. So whenever they sign up through that form, they will get added to this tag purchase product. The other way of segmenting your subscribers is using segments. So this gives powerful options to filter based on certain criteria. So they're already like criteria: new subscribers, contacts who have signed up last 7 days, engaged subscribers who have opened your email, like the last 5 emails. So these segments are available. You can create your own segments as well. So hit create segment. Here you get different type of filters you can choose from. Either on existing tags, or you can have contact details, first name, language, phone number, location. There are many things based on which you can segment your user. Email engagement, so makes it easier to further engage them or sell them your product, promote something to them. Now, once you have email subscribers, you're going to have to send emails to them, obviously. So there are, I think, main two ways to send email. One is you can send what I call broadcast email, or this email is something you create and you publish, and it gets sent to all your subscribers or the segments or tags to which you want to send. So it's only a one-time send. It won't get repeated again if someone new subscribe or something. It's every time you send, it's a single email. So like for example, if you send emails every week, one email to a subscriber notifying them about something, so that's something you can do. Or you send some email before Black Friday to announce some sales or something. So those are one-time kind of emails, and you can send them manually. To do that, go to all campaigns, create new. So here you get different templates again. So like any you want, I'll just go with the regular email. Here you can pick to which subscribers you want to send. You can use your tag segment or to all subscribers from who you are sending, the subject line, what you are going to send about, then a time, whether you want to send it now or if you want to schedule it at a certain period of time, you can do that. Then is the content. So in the content, you actually will design your email and keep it as simple or make it as fancy as you need. There are different templates available, more for the paid version, less for the free, but there are templates available, or you can create from scratch and add elements to those, or you can pick one of these existing templates. So a lot of good looking templates will be available. For example, if we go for any of this freely available template, which is free, hit apply. So again, you have all these elements you can add, you can change the logo, text, links, social media links. So all you can make changes over here. And once you're done, you hit save and exit. Now you can preview how your email looks like before you send it to subscribers. I always recommend you do this so it appears correctly either in your mobile or desktop. So in preview, it shows you how it will appear in the desktop view, mobile view, and in the inbox of your subscribers. Once you're done with the preview, you can also send a test email, which I also recommend. So you can send it to any of your email account, add that, hit a send, and it will come to your inbox. So you actually see in real time how your email will appear. Once you're done, you can hit the send and it will get added to be sent either immediately or when you are scheduled. So that's how you send a one-time email using MailChimp to your subscribers. The other powerful way of sending emails is automation. So automation means you set it up once and that list of emails will get sent to your subscribers automatically. So one simplest way of doing this is when a new email subscriber comes in via some form. So what you can do is set up, say, initial 5-day email where you onboard the customer or the subscriber. So you don't need to do it every time. You set it up once with this 5 emails, say daily, and then every time a new subscriber signs up through a form, they will automatically get these 5 emails for 5 days. To do that, you'll have to go to automations. Here you can build from scratch or you can choose existing templates in automation. For example, let's see this template, welcome new contact. So this will trigger whenever a contact signs up to any form landing page that you select. So automatically it shows over here in this view flowchart that contact signs up to an audience, send email, welcome email, and then you can edit this welcome email like we saw. You can use any template or create from scratch, make any changes to email. You can add further email. If you click further, you can add more emails as well based on how your needs are. But this is only available in the paid plan, so you won't be able to use automation in the free plan. You can send campaign based emails but not automation. Now once you start sending emails, you can see the feedback from customers or subscribers. How are they opening your emails? What is the click-through rate? How many are unsubscribing? All that detail you can check in the analytics, so you can take further action on your future emails. So it will show you, for example, your total send, open rate, click rate, unsubscribe rate. You can go to each of the emails, whether in automation or broadcast, and then check the analytic statistics on each of the emails itself. You can check the performance over time, whether your subscribers are increasing or decreasing, or what's the click-through rate, conversion. So all that you can check over here in analytics. You can even get your reports in analytics for analysis. For your campaigns, automation, etc., you can check whether it's a landing page or form, like what is the analytics, how many people are subscribing via that. So you can make then changes to the text, etc., based on your improvement of copywriting to get further subscribers. MailChimp also has the benefit that it integrates with a lot of other tools. Here it shows under integrations what all it can integrate with. So for example, Twitter, WooCommerce, Shopify, Zapier, WordPress, Gravity Forms. So a lot of tools it can integrate with. You just go through those tools and then you can have the integration, say in WordPress via plugin, and then you just enter your username, password for MailChimp or connect your MailChimp account via these services or tools, and automatically it will connect to certain forms over here. So whenever someone subscribes either in Shopify, they buy something from your e-commerce store, or they subscribe to a form in WordPress, they will automatically get added to your email list. You don't need to manually add code over there because automatic integrations are available. I hope you found this video useful, showing you the basics of using email marketing with MailChimp. I also created a video showing the different email marketing software available other than MailChimp. So there are several other good options, some of them even for budget, some of them free, some of them are having really nice features. So all of them are available in that video. So do check it out. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.